To add elements to your collection, first access your collection by logging on to Destiny. Remember that you log on using your Campbell County Schools username and password, and then get to Collections by going to Catalog, Destiny Discover, and then clicking on those top 3 lines and going to Collections. Your collection will be in the Private section, and it's probably the only one you currently have. Once in your collection, you can add resources by clicking on the orange plus button located in the bottom right-hand corner. When you click that button, you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this. So let's say that I would like to add the book Food, Inc., but we do not have that book in our library collection. The way that I can do that is to just open a tab and go to Amazon.com. And I'm going to look up my source. It's actually a DVD, not a book, for what I want to use here. So I now have my listing where it tells me a little bit about the DVD. It tells me some product description. I've got everything that I need here. So I'm now just going to come up and grab the URL, copy that. I'm going to paste it in here and click Add. And sometimes it takes just a second for the collections to add. So if it does this, just hang out for a second. And then I will now have my second piece in my collection. Now right now, this is kind of still updating, so I can hit refresh to see if it finishes. Right now I don't have a very good image for this, and maybe I don't like the title. If I want to edit anything, I can click on my 3 dots here and hit edit. And maybe I want to take out the Amazon.com part. And maybe I don't want this to be my image. I can easily change that by just kind of moving it around and hitting save. And now I've got a nicer picture and a nicer title. So that's how you add anything from the internet into your collection. You can also add from here. You can upload documents from your drive. You can import information, but for the most part, you're probably going to be using URLs. I would do the same thing if I were getting a video from YouTube or anything like that. The only difference is if I'm adding something from our school collection, in which case I won't hit the plus down here. I will instead search up here, and let's see. Maybe I want to add something about fast food. Maybe there is a book, Fast Food Nation. Then I just hit my green plus here, and I choose my collection and add it there. Okay, so that is a very short description of how you add things into collections. The last thing that I will show you is how you can make some changes to the way your collection looks. So if you would like to organize your things differently, you can just click and drag, and they should move around. I'm being a little funny right now. But you can move them like this and drop them over top of each other to change their order if you would like to. You can also change the picture that shows up here and the color down here by clicking on your 3 dots and clicking Edit. You can change your description. This is a collection of resources related to my reading of the book Fast Food Nation. And I can click on the number 3 image and color here to change my image. I can use any of their stock photos. So maybe I would like to have the light bulbs. And I can change my colors here and hit save. And now I've got my description and I've got my new picture here. The last thing you're going to want to be able to do is to share this so that your teacher can get to it. So you're going to hit your little share icon here, which is going to open up this link, and you're going to change it to anyone with the link can view. And this is where you're going to copy your link and you will paste it in either to an email to your teacher or to a list with student names. So very quickly, that is how you create a collection and add it and make everything look really nice as you are curating some resources about some of your nonfiction reading.